Bim! Guess what? We've got some snacks, fridge raiders. Now, I've done fridge raiders before and I didn't like them. But these ones are Veggie bites. It's 2 packs. We've got Simply Seasoned and Mexican Heatwave. Around about £1 a pack. Ingredients, 78% vegetables, butternut squash, chickpea, red pepper, potato flake, pea, sweet corn, onion, carrot, rapeseed oil, wheat flour, and then various other bits and pieces as well. So our bites contain 78% vegetables with 22% seasoning and ingredients. So, what do they taste like? Now the chicken ones I don't like because I feel like you're eating like, how do you describe it? Like they're like thin tubes and you eat them, they're like sponge. But we can't do sponge with these. Oh, okay then. There you go. See the colour of it, it's quite dark. Texture's horrible. There's hardly any seasoning. The main yellow bit's really squidgy, but then the peas and things like that are really hard. So yeah, they're going in the bin. 1 star for the unseasoned ones. Thank God. We've got Mexican Heatwave. So same ingredients again, but this time it's got coriander, garlic, natural flavouring, onion powder, garlic powder, ginger, smoked paprika. So you get the idea. It's a bit more, got more of a kick to it. To be fair, it looks pretty much exactly the same. You have to have 2 to get the Mexican Heatwave come through, I suppose. It's got the flavour at the back of the throat and tongue, but I can't get over the texture. 1 star. Sorry, wasted your time. So next time, bye.